Samsung may exclude 45W fast charging in some variants. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra leaks are all over the internet and we may have seen them on Denmark's Demco certification platform, and now we actually have the leaked introduction videos as well. Samsung this time sticking with 25W fast charging with the base model, the Galaxy S22. According to the certification, Samsung Galaxy S22 appears to support only 25W fast charging, no surprise for S22. However, the upper variants for S22 Plus and the Galaxy S22 Ultra are listed as 45W fast charging support. Previous leaks have suggested that the Galaxy S22 will come with the 3700 mAh battery, the S22 Plus will come with the 4500 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S22 Ultra will come up with the whopping 5000 mAh battery. Overall, these charging speeds as revealed by Demco certification would definitely help users of the Galaxy S22 series charge their devices more quickly. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you guys happy with the 25W fast charging in the Galaxy S22? Samsung official regional distribution is also out, where the Snapdragon Gen 1 Samsung will sell the S22 equipped with that chipset in North America, China, Japan, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and its home market of South Korea. The Exynos 2200 models, on the other hand, will sold in Europe, CIS, Southwest Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. A leaked introduction video of both Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and Tab S8 are uploaded on Kim official Twitter account, where he blurred the video, but we can get the idea of how it will go. Moreover, the launch will be held on 9th of Feb 2022, and we have the official time now, where 10 AM Eastern Time or 3 PM GMT. We already know everything about Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra lineup. Let's see what Samsung will bring to the table. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, are you guys happy with the 25W fast charging in Galaxy S22? I'll see you next time. Till next time, peace out.